What is Atti and GPS? They are flight modes. What is a flight mode? It is condition of flight based on certain parameters being set on your drone. So GPS mode or GPS lock mode is the parameter of full stability. You have horizontal stabilizers and you have vertical stabilizers. What does it mean? It means if you're on GPS mode and you leave the drone, it's stable. So it just hovers in one spot. It doesn't go up and down and it doesn't go side to side. Right? Atti mode stands for attitude. And yes, this thing has a little bit of an attitude when you put it in Atti mode, because all that happens, it still has GPS, but what it does is cancel out the horizontal stabilizers. So if you leave the remote control, the vertical stabilizers are still in play. It's not going to be going up and down. That's right, it's going to be going side to side based on wind. If the wind's blowing this way, this drone is going to go that way. Okay. Alternatively, if there's no wind and you push right and then you let go, the drone is going to go right, and then when you let go, it's going to keep going right. Okay. Whereas on GPS, the drone almost has auto braking system. You push right, you let go, the drone goes right and then stops itself. Okay. That's the difference between those two modes. Are we happy? Yes. Yep.